Okay, here we are again. We're going to look at doing a roasted aubergine curry, a nice, cheap and healthy balanced curry. Okay, so first thing first, what we've got to do is get our baby aubergines, chop them up straight into the pan of oil and then into a preheated oven. You can use 1 or 2 normal sized aubergines. We've got the baby aubergines here today. A little bit of oil into there. Top and tail them. We're just going to ring these into small chunks. So we're going to roast these in the oven. Give him a nice good flavour, get a little char on him. Right, so we've got these ready now. A little bit more oil on top. Give that a little shake. If you want to use the larger aubergines, what you want to do is just finely chop them into 1 centimetre chunks rather than slicing them. So we're going to put this in the oven now for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees. So while we've got the aubergines roasting away in the oven, let's start by prepping our onions. And now we've got the 3 cloves of garlic, just finely chopped. So all the ingredients are prepped, let's get cooking. Right then, let's start off. We're going to fry off the onions, so a little bit of oil. We're going to fry off the red onions, you can red or white. And we're just going to sweat them off just for 3 or 4 minutes. So now we've sweated them off to 3 to 4 minutes. They've gone a bit golden. We're going to add a little bit of garlic. Just our 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to give that a minute. So we're just sweating this off now, the onions and the garlic on a medium heat. So now we're going to add, optional, we're going to add some sugar. For me, it's a bit of balance. Then we're going to add the turmeric, cumin and ground coriander. And then we're going to add the garam masala. So we give that about 30 seconds just to get the aroma smelling. Once you've got that going, we can add our tin of tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomatoes. I'm using the cherry ones here. And then we also want to add about 200 ml of water. So we're just going to let that simmer on a low heat for 8 to 10 minutes. And I'm going to chop up some coriander, a good bunch of coriander, so about 20 grams. Just roughly chopped. Right, so we're not far away now. Aubergines, a couple more minutes. We're just going to bring in now the coconut milk. I'm just going to give that a little stir through. Should go to a lighter colour. Okay, so we're ready to get the aubergines out of the oven. So we're just going to drop them into there. So they're all nicely roasted and golden. Give them a stir, let them soak up some of the sauce. Give that a good stir and then add plenty of coriander. And just give that a little stir through. So that's nearly finished. So if you can simmer this down for another 5 minutes, but as of any other curry, the longer you leave it, the better. So now to plate up, we're just going to serve some of this, which is normal rice. You could use, I don't know, you can have a naan bread, you could jacket potato, anything like that. Put a little bit of roasted aubergines on the side there. And just a little sprinkle of the coriander. There we go, our roasted aubergine curry. Also vegan friendly.